Here's how to check if your phone is fast charging or regular charging. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your phone. Now from the settings of your phone, go ahead and click on the battery options. So as you can see, when you see the battery options, you will see there the daily usage as well as the app and system activity that actually get the percentage of your battery. Now, for you to be able to check if your phone is fast charging or regular charging, is you have to charge your phone. If you see that there is a lightning and it is on the green option charging and says that 46 minutes for 80%, that means that your phone is fast charging. Do not forget to use a fast charging button or a fast charging wire for you to be able to fast charge your phone, because if you're just going to use a regular wire charge, then your phone will not be fast charging.